Hey guys, how it's going? Welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you the simple and easiest way to mark out the arch using two tape measure. But before we go into the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and click the notification bell so that when I upload new video, you get notified. Let's jump right into the video. So guys, I'm going to show you how I mark out to get the round for my arch. So this is how I do it. The first thing you want to measure where you want your door to be. So in this case, we're going to measure from down to the bottom, come up. Our door is going to be 8 feet. So we want to take our 8 feet, mark it right here. And then we want to catch our level across from the 8 feet. On a level, this gets a level mark right across. Like so. And then a mark. So here, we want to catch our center now. So what we want to do, we want to measure from here to here to see how wide is our door that we're going to put our arch. So here is 5 feet 8 inches. 5 feet 8. So we're going to split that in two. So it's 210 guys. So 210 is our center. So we want to plumb our center mark up. So we know this is where our center is. So now we want to catch the measurement to see how far we want to get our arch from the level of the 4 feet up. So here we want our arch to fall right here. So it's 1 feet 2 inches and a half. So now we're gonna clock our arch. Now we're gonna work out how to get this. I'll show you guys how to do this. So guys, here we are prepared to mark out our arch. Here I'm going to measure, what I'm trying to get here, I'm trying to get a square measurement, square mark. So here I'm going to measure 10 feet. Over there we measure 10 feet. Let's assume that wall is over there is square. And over here again we're going to mark 10 feet. Let's make a straight mark across 10 feet. Now we want to catch our center mark. So this line here, this line is 10 feet this way. Because we're in a square building, right? So we are assuming that this is square. Basically, you could mark this out on anywhere, but this is the easiest way I find to do it. To mark out the heart. We're going to put 10 feet here. Okay, so from the 10 feet, let's put 5 feet for the center. Let's catch the center of this 10 feet and square it. So that's 5 feet. So we're going to square our 5 feet center here. And remember our arch. So here we're going to square here now. This is the center. We're going to make a square mark, go all the way down and then put it up this way as well. Gonna catch our arch, which would be, arch is 1 feet 2 inches, the center. This is where we want it to be. So we're gonna measure right here. It's 5 feet 8. 5 feet 8. So we gotta split 5 feet 8 in two. That would be 2 feet 10. 2 feet 10. That we should get 5 feet 8. Well, here, remember, you have to square this. It has to be square. So here's the line. As you see, I have the measurement from 1 feet over. So basically we just square it from this garage here. What we did, we just take 10 feet from that wall over, and then we catch a center which is 5 feet, and then all you have to do is just put the measurement from the center, share the center, split the measurement in two and put it. So here we have, this is the center of the mark, and we split it 2 feet 10 and then 2 feet 10 over here, and then from here up is where that's the height of your arch that you want to have. You want to use 2 tape. You want to use 1 tape here. Go over there and hold that tape. So we're gonna use 1 tape and run our. Make sure we get equal number on the tape from here, the same number on the tape. So first thing we're gonna put 1 tape here. Hold it. This mark here. I don't know if we can stand here and hold this one here as well. Hold both of them at the same mark. So now we're gonna search our tape until we find the same number, and that way we know exactly that's where. Okay guys, so this is how I mark out my heart. This is the easiest way you could mark out a heart. So here on the tape you see we have the same number. If you look, just 1 second, let me zoom in a little bit. So here we find the same number on the tape, which 4 feet 2 inches. You see 42, and 42 is here as well. So right here is your clocking number. So right here is where you want to mark, and that way you clock right around. I'll show you guys right now what I mean by. And that's Sanjay. You're gonna see him a lot, so mark his face. 42, door number. Okay. Now what we gotta do, we already have our square right here now. So we want to catch our level. Make sure the mark is right on. Come all the way down. So here is where you put a nail and catch the mark. You see guys, you go like so, then you go like so. Now we're gonna mark our heart. So we're gonna use this for our heart. We don't have a full board. Okay, so now we're gonna make our mark. Okay guys, so now you want to mark like so. Now you just want to go around, just trace it around like so. So that's our heart. So there you have it guys. There you have it. This is the easiest way to clock a arch using 2 tapes. Here you have it guys. So now all you have to do is just put this one over another one and just mark it over. This is the way you do it when you have. This is the easiest way to do it actually.